Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today we will explore two innovative solutions for your laundry needs. The Scrubba Wash Bag, a lightweight manual washing machine perfect for travel, and the portable twin tub washing machine, a semi-automatic compact washer-dryer combo designed for apartments and dorms. Join us as we dive into their features and see which one suits your lifestyle best. The Scrubba Wash Bag is incredibly lightweight at just 5.3 ounces, making it the ultimate travel companion for those on the go. Its compact design allows it to fit easily in a backpack or suitcase. In contrast, the portable twin tub washing machine, while still compact, weighs significantly more and requires a bit more space. This makes the Scrubba a more convenient option for travelers who prioritize portability. When it comes to washing capacity, the Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for small loads, making it ideal for quick washes of baby clothes or a few travel essentials. On the other hand, the portable twin tub washing machine boasts a 22-pound washing capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads of laundry at once. This makes it a better choice for families or those with more laundry to tackle. The Scrubba Wash Bag requires manual operation, where users need to scrub their clothes by hand, which can be time-consuming. In contrast, the portable twin tub washing machine offers a semi-automatic experience, allowing users to set wash and spin cycles with ease. This makes the twin tub washer a more user-friendly option for those who want to save time and effort in their laundry routine. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the portable twin tub washing machine offer unique advantages for different types of users. The Scrubba is perfect for travelers seeking a lightweight and portable solution, while the twin tub washer is ideal for those needing a more robust washing capacity and ease of use. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.